Ganesha helps Kartikeya marry Valli. Ganesha loved his brother Kartikeya a lot. He helped Kartikeya whenever he faced any difficulty in life. Legend says that Kartikeya married twice in his lifetime. The first marriage was with a girl named Devsena, the daughter of the god of death. Ganesha helped Kartikeya marry a tribal girl named Valli. She admired Kartikeya for his bravery and heroism. She wanted to marry Kartikeya. He liked her too. Once, Kartikeya planned to meet Valli. He disguised himself as a bangle seller and visited Valli's house. Valli at once recognized him and started talking to him. But Valli's brothers did not let the two talk with each other. Later, Kartikeya and Valli went to Ganesha for help. Ganesha converted himself into a wild elephant and pretended to attack Valli. As per the plan, Kartikeya saved Valli from the elephant. When Valli told her brothers about Kartikeya's bravery, they willingly got her married to him. Sage Parshuram. Sage Parshuram was the sixth incarnation of Vishnu. The great sage Jamagni and Renuka were Parshuram's parents. Though Parshuram was a Brahmin, yet he was trained to be a warrior. He was famous for his short temper. He had cursed several people just because they had annoyed him. Parshuram was a great disciple of Shiva. He once pleased Shiva through his prayers and deep meditation. Shiva blessed him with a divine axe. The axe had immense powers. Parshuram was proud of his axe and always kept it with him. The incarnation of Vishnu as Parshuram had a great motive behind it. Vishnu observed that the Kshatriya rulers on earth were creating havoc and were troubling people. So, to bring back things on the right path, Vishnu took birth on earth as Parshuram. It is believed that he went round the earth 21 times and destroyed all the Kshatriyas. Ganesha stops Parshuram. Parshuram was an ardent devotee of Lord Shiva. He once decided to meet Shiva. He thought he could visit him at any time he wished. Parshuram reached Mount Kailash and found two boys guarding the entrance. These two boys were Kartikeya and Ganesha. Their parents had instructed them to guard the entrance so that no one might disturb them. Parshuram asked Kartikeya and Ganesha to let him meet Shiva. Ganesha said, "O respected saint, you will have to wait for some time. Our parents are resting and we are not supposed to let anyone go inside." But Parshuram was not ready to understand Ganesha's explanation. He was getting restless and showed anxiety to meet Shiva. Ganesha and Kartikeya did not like the way Parshuram was behaving. But since he was older, Kartikeya and Ganesha did not want to insult him. So they politely continued to stop the sage from meeting Shiva. Parshuram, who was a short-tempered person, took it as an insult and became furious. Ganesha is called Ekdanta. Parshuram had no patience. Soon a tussle started between him and Ganesha. Kartikeya tried to stop the fight between them, but neither of them would budge. Parshuram used his axe to assault Ganesha, but Ganesha averted the attack. Parshuram continued the attack, whereas Ganesha refused to step back. Finally, Parshuram hit at Ganesha's tusk with the divine axe. Ganesha let Parshuram strike him, as he was aware that Parshuram's axe was a gift from his father to the sage. The axe broke his left tusk. Ganesha let out a yell. Mother Parvati rushed out to her son. She saw Ganesha suffering and was very angry with Parshuram. Shiva too joined them. Shiva tried to placate Parvati. Parshuram pleaded for forgiveness and prayed to Ganesha. Ganesha forgave Parshuram. From now on, you shall be known by the name of Ekdanta, with one tooth. Your broken tusk will be used in writing the great epic Mahabharata. Parshuram blessed Ganesha.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.